don't carry any kind of burdens which you think your parents have carried. So it is your legacy that you have to carry those burdens emotionally. And feel free to discuss, talk anything to your parents. And if you can't talk to your parents, the teachers are available, you can talk to your teachers. And if you feel the teachers are also not available, but at least they will guide you to a therapist where you can speak your heart out. Any kind of confusion, doubts about sexual education, about any kind of traumas, about anything regarding digital media, anything you want to ask about religion, anything. So feel free to connect to your parents, either teachers, and if not teachers, the therapists are always available.
I want to tell them first and foremost to just go out and play. I mean, everybody needs to remember that human body is meant to be mobile and active. We are not sedentary beings. We are not meant to be sitting on a desk or a table for 12 hours or 18 hours a day and then just going back to sleep. So it is important to include physical activity, not just an hour of exercise, but apart from that, throughout the day, we need to be physically active. We need to be finding ways which make us move around. So for us, it is important to be mobile throughout the day, not just 1 hour of exercise in the morning and maybe half an hour of walk, although that is also important and very important. But throughout the day, say suppose you have to just go 2 floors, use the stairs instead of the elevator. You have to walk, you have to go to a small place or a shop close to your house, walk down to that place rather than using your car or a bike or something. Find reasons to be active throughout the day in the house or in the office. You have to read a report or something. Even if you have to be there are some occupations and some professionals who need to be on their phone or laptop or mobile throughout the day, and they just can't. It's an occupational thing, and they can't give up. So what I tell them mostly when they come to my OPD is that just every 1 hour or maybe 1.5 hours, just make it a point to take up your report if you're reading some report or whatever, and walk around the office while you're reading that report. While going up and down for lunch breaks or something, just walk around.